Hi, it's evening 6:30 and I'm walking on Park Avenue, New York. These are the very initial days of spring and today it's so beautiful, sunny and bright outside that after my work hours, I just took this light hoodie or my running shoes and came out. Sun will take another full 1 hour to set, so I still have some time to see. See, the city has started blooming, not fully but in patches like this. In some part, there is still the dry trees, but again, some has bloomed. See, the left part, there is so many cherry blossoms. Not fully bloomed, though, but started.
One of yours is like family friends.
So I have heard that I have read actually the yesterday I was reading that in this Park Avenue even you can find fully bloomed cherry blossoms this time after probably 1 or 2 week, and even if you walk in the street you will find amazing cherry blossoms. So this time I don't want to miss it. I want to see it. I want to be a witness. So let's see how it goes. And oh my god, see this place. One side is in pink and other side is in white. Oh my god, I just love this place. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I know those who are from Washington DC or from the British Columbia or even from the Boston, they are thinking that oh, in our place there are so many cherry blossoms. But Manhattan doesn't have this much, and I still didn't. I will go to the Central Park and the Hudson Riverside Park and all the other places to see those, and all the also the Bronx Botanical Garden also has. But while walking in this full city in the midtown, when you can see in your daily path, when you can see this kind of means vibrant bloom, it's just a different feeling. And I never had this before. And somehow I always like road. I really like road. Walking in the road, driving, going anything, so I really like road. And that time means during your walking, during your journey, if this kind of road where all the trees are shading, all the it's blooming, I don't know, I just feel very differently. So yes, that's why I'm loving the Park Avenue. Actually, on the Park Avenue, I am going towards Uptown. Uptown means I have started from 34th Street and going towards any up direction. So now I am heading up to the 43rd Street and I will take a turn from here, and now I will go vertically. Till now I was walking horizontally. So the entire Manhattan has divided in several blocks made with street that goes horizontally and avenue that are in vertically. So that's why it made bit easy in knowing the direction. Otherwise I am a very bad navigator, I often get lost. So but thankfully this direction give me, and I don't have any direction sense at all, I will say. But yes, probably this made my life easy. After crossing the Madame Tussauds Times Square, now I am again going back to my place to First Avenue, and see, this is spectacular view. Really, sun is setting on the west, and I am going towards east, and that's the Empire State Building reflecting the setting sun, glittering. Again, see, the city has started blooming. This is the place where I frequently come. I love this place. There are so many daffodils, there are so many tulips. This place is called Herald Square. I'm not going to tell any history today. So I come very often here in this place. The left side is Macy's, and in this right part there is a Herald Tower, and this is the place where people after office work, after their working hours, they chill, they eat, and they spend some time, they meet with their loved ones, or listen music, and you can see this this is these are started blooming. Probably these are not cherry. I think these are magnolia, white magnolia. I guess I'm not sure. So I am really new to all this, the magnolia, cherry blossom. So I'm not going to comment on this. But there are tulips I can see. The daffodils are yellow one, and these are tulips. Oh my god, this place is so nice. Bird chirping, so pleasant, so comfortable, amazing. I will come back here again when this will fully bloomed.